y'all to hear me out on this one. Y'all always tell me that it takes too long to do y'all makeup. I want y'all to follow these 4 steps in order, and then the one major tip that I got for you at the end. And let me know if your makeup still takes too long. Step 1 is to fill in your brows. If you normally fill in your brows, then do what you normally do. If you do not normally fill in your brows because you are given God's grace to have those nice, beautiful, thick brows, then hey, you just wait for the next step, okay? Now, watch me fill in my brows though. Here are some things that I want you to know while you're watching me do my brows. First of all, when you're doing your brows, for this particular video, find a concealer that is closer to your skin tone than not. Additionally, don't go anywhere beyond your brow space. That means the inner edges as well. This is a quick makeup tutorial, which means we're leaving a couple of steps off. So I don't want you to look crazy when you're doing your eyebrows and you start to do things that you don't see me doing and it doesn't work out quite well for you. So don't color outside of the lines just yet. Don't get creative. Stay with me. Stay on task. Stay in class. Don't be that student. Don't make me come after you. All right? Listen first. Once you get to the end, then you can make adjustments. But right now, do not make any adjustments. If you're doing your brows, make sure you pull down your concealer over your whole entire eyelid space and use a translucent powder that is of the same skin tone in which you are. Let me know down in the comments if what I'm telling you makes sense, because if it doesn't, then this won't work for you. And then you're gonna tell me at the end that it didn't work. Now they say don't try this at home. No, try this at home. All right, now let's get to it, okay? All right, step 2 is to conceal. Conceal under your eye. The reason I didn't have you do it all together is because we're using 2 different tones, or at least I'm using 2 different tones. If you're gonna be using the same concealer that you used on your eyelid space, you could bring it all the way down up under your eyes and you conceal up under your eyes. Now, if you're a person that does not have hyperpigmentation and you don't want to conceal under your eyes, you can skip this step too. So that means, girl, you don't need no eyebrows. You don't need no concealer up under your eyes. You could just skip makeup. You just wait for the next step. Okay, beautiful? Because that's what we are. I'm using the Maybelline Rewind, and this is in the shade 148 Hazelnuts. Y'all, my light is going in and out because I'm in natural light today. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So excuse the natural light out of me. Don't forget to prime your skin. I did prime my skin. That's just a natural progression of steps. That's just what I do. Praise is what I do. It be in my spirit, y'all. How y'all like the new background? Like, are y'all feeling the difference, the change? I needed a change of scenery today, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I was not having a great morning. I woke up kind of in a sad space, but I still wanted to continue, push on and shove you on through it all, because at the end of the day, I'm still here right now. So that's all that matters, right? Yes. So I'm letting it sit while I'm talking to y'all for a little bit. So make sure you let it sit for a little bit so that it can cover that hyperpigmentation and those dark spots that you actually want to cover. If not, then baby, roll with it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm all for it. You know what I'm saying? That's me hyping myself up and hyping y'all up too, because I need some more hype people in my makeup videos. Let me know. Drop me a comment down below if y'all truly love makeup. Let me know. All right, girl, let's get it going. This is the Luxe Crease Brush, right? I use this up under my eye for concealer all the time. And you can do this with your finger. If you don't have a brush, you can do this with your finger. It's the same concept, y'all. Always make sure y'all look up. Look up. In Jesus' name, look up. And this is why I say you could have brought it all the way down and around, concentrating it where you wanted it to, getting those dark spots. I'm just showing you could use your hands. There ain't nothing wrong with your fingers. Nothing at all. I used to be a great big advocate of not using my hands. I ain't gonna lie. I hated using my fingers to touch my makeup. I ain't like makeup all over my hands. That's my truth. But when I got up this morning, I was in my makeup room and I was gonna actually do my makeup up there. And I went to stretch. And oh my God, I had such a cramp in my back. I had to spend 30 minutes on my little roller downstairs trying to stretch my back out, which is what I get because I do have an alarm set because I'm supposed to stretch every day. I do have an alarm set that says stretch. And I always just hit that alarm and tell it, go away. Go away, alarm. Go away. That alarm got me today. Say, you gonna stretch today. And I did. I had to go down there and get on that little hard roller thing. So, let me not move too much because it ain't gone. You know how you have a spasm? That's what it is. It done spazzed up. My back done spazzed up. You have to roll it out. Yeah, I just rolled it out just enough for me to sit myself up here. So, yeah, y'all see me. I'm here. Hello, present. Y'all ever woke up with a spasm like that? Did y'all back ever seize up and make you feel like you just want to pass out? Like, I just leaned over like, oh, I can't move. I thought I was going to call my husband and be like, babe, I can't move. I can't move. He was like, girl, if you don't leave me alone, I'm at work. But I couldn't move for real. I started calling the holy name of Jesus. Jesus, if you could just get me downstairs, please just get me downstairs to my little roly thing. I promise I won't. I don't know what I promised I won't, because I don't do much. So stop drinking already. So I don't do no drugs. So I don't know what else I promise I won't. I don't know. So anywho, back to makeup, right? I'm going to take my compact, which is my, the name went off of this, my 550 Suede finishing powder from Lancome. And it is the same as having a pressed powder. Yes, basically, pressed powder. I'm going to set my under eyes. Right now, I'm just making sure I don't have any creases. No, my bad. No, I don't. We don't want to set our eyes with this. I want to set my eyes with the Le Mercier setting powder. My bad. I thought I didn't go get it from upstairs, but I did. I see it right here. I was being lazy. I ain't gonna lie. I have my Le Mercier setting powder. I have my little triangle. This one is the medium deep. So, you dab it in there and dab it off on the back of your hand like so. And then you listen to your stomach growl and then you set your eyes. That is step 2, my dears. Then we'll move on to step 3. Step 3 is EYELASCARA. Yes, we're gonna put them together. EYELASCARA, eyeliner and mascara, honey. But we're only gonna do a half of the line right here. Okay, just like that. And then you rub it out, okay, rub it out. And we have to put a little something on the eye because I don't have on my extensions. I don't have on lashes. I'm not gonna put on lashes because it takes too much time. My favorite mascara, I just showed it to you, makes me look like I have on lashes. So put on your favorite mascara, one that you love, try a bunch of them out. That makes you look like you have more lashes, and go for it because there's a lot of mascaras that actually work well. This one is from Lancome, Big Connoisseur. I will try my best. I do my best. Y'all remember that from TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, something. I do my best. But I'll do my best to link it down below. I do my best. So go catch my previous video where I did the highly requested mascara and eyeliner. I did not feature the eyeliner that I used today, but I did feature this mascara in there and showed you 4 products that I love for doing regular schmegular degular eyeliner and mascara. Okay. That's step 3. See, our look is coming together, honey. And if I wasn't talking to y'all, I would be moving faster than this. I'm telling you, if I was just doing it and not saying it, we would be done by now. Just FYI, on to step 4. Okay, step 4 is, remember when I told y'all about that Lancome from, way back just a few minutes ago? No. So that's what I'm getting ready to put on right now, is my Lancome pancake. So if y'all have a foundation in a pancake form, aka powder form, then go ahead and grab that, because that's what you're gonna put on to try to make this not look so, hello, you have on highlights with nothing else, ma'am. What are you doing out here in these streets? You're gonna take that, put that on, and you see how we doing that, honey? Everywhere, because this is your foundation. That is your foundation. See that? So I want you to see. And because I'm in daylight, you can see it. That is that. And then when we get ready to spray it all down, that's gonna be that. Make sure you get that shiny forehead that you done primed. That's why I told you to put on some primer, okay? This is why I said do not get ahead in the class. Don't do your homework in class. Do your homework at home. Be careful of your brows. It is foundation. It will cover your brows, okay? All right, now, don't forget about the tip, okay? Them was the 4 steps. But let me tell you this tip, because this tip is really gonna bring it all together. Before I get to the tip, I just want to throw some honorable mentions in here for my actual makeup enthusiasts who want to do a little bit more. That bronzer on the eye. We gonna take these paws, dab it in that bronzer right there, and we gonna put it just right here on the edge. We don't want to mess up what we done put down on our liner. So if we gonna smudge our liner out, that's cool. That's all we did. We dabbed our hand in there, took a little bit on the tip, and boom. That's it. So tell me if you can see the difference. May not be the perfect blend, but who gonna know? Who gonna come for you? They better not be that close to your face unless they're your man, and he better not say jack. You hear me? Look, listen. We not cutting people off in 2023, but we show reading them up and down. Don't come for my makeup. And let me be a good hostess here, good little teacher in class, and actually show y'all what the heck I'm using. Beauty Bakery Snackaroonie in the shade Perfect Blend. Yeah, I just dabbed my finger off up in that mug, threw it on my eye. And we got another honorable mention over here, which is blush. If you guys love blush, because I know I have some blush enthusiasts out there as well, we're gonna go in with the Ulta. Lip it up. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm actually gonna do all the colors. Run it. Why not? Tap that off. Make sure you tap that off. That will bring back some of the color to your face. Can y'all tell? Those are the 2 honorable mentions. No, they are not steps because you don't have to do them, but I wanted to show them to you because I wanted you to see how just adding those 2 little things will change the way your look will be made. Now, this is the actual tip that you need to make sure your makeup comes together. Let me show it to you. Micro Smooth. Look at the color of this Micro Smooth compared to everything else that I got on though. Take my little brush and I'm gonna show you. Swirls it around. Mean mug dusk it off, right? And we're gonna put it where we would normally put this thing called bronzer. Because it's darker than my skin tone, I put it where my contour would normally go. That's it. Now watch how all this comes together, honey. Yes, I had to pull the wig back. I had to snatch the wig back, honey. Snatch it back. Snatch it back. That's all I'm gonna do with that. But you definitely need to get Micro Smooth in your life. They come in multiple shades, so you can use them in multiple places on your face. And it brings your makeup like just really seamlessly together. You know what I mean? Like together, if that makes sense. Together. You need it. Get it. Go buy it. Don't say I did not give you the tea. This is also important, how you want your face to look when you walk out the door. If you want to look like this, if you want to look matte, if you want to stay matte, use a matte setting spray. If you want to look skin-like, I'm going to suggest use the Fix It spray by MAC. And yes, you want to use the setting spray. Use it. All those powders we just used, you want to use the setting spray. Let them use ya. And listen, to all the 40 people who watch my videos, thank you. All right, y'all, we are back. I'm sorry the lighting has changed yet again because natural lighting does just that, right? So for my beauty enthusiasts, when you can't get your words right, for my beauty enthusiasts who want a little more than this, I don't need this step, but for you who need it, who want it, I'm gonna give you some glow. I typically use this one, which is by Kiss, is the Glow and Bronze Powder, which is a body glow and a powder. Nice and fat, like you get a lot of product. I don't know how deep it goes, but we haven't hit pan just yet. You can use that same thing and you can do it here. Ooh, I might have went ham. I might have did a little too much, but since I did too much on that side, I must do too much here. I went for the gold. Do you hear me? I was not trying to do that much. And you can also do your brow bone. That's real old school to do your brow bone and put it like right here if you want to. Boom. And we tough. We ready to go. I got on my little mom life sweater. Can y'all see it? Baby, we mom life today. And it's Aquarius season. Don't forget it. Ooh. My birthday is in 5 days from this video. I don't know when this video will actually come out. But if it comes out after my birthday, then happy belated birthday to myself. I don't think it's going to come out before my birthday because I'm filming it 5 days before my birthday. So, but if it does, then cool. If it doesn't, still cool. Y'all can wish me a happy birthday still. You know what? I do have a question. If y'all did make it to the end, that means y'all are my tribe. That means that this question is really for people that are my tribe. How interested would y'all be if I switched up my content? Thinking about doing more of conversational style videos. Can we talk about life? Cause I go sometimes. Can we talk? He think I'm calling him. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Y'all want to say hey to Pancho? Say hey to Pancho. Say hey. Pancho, say hey. But yeah, no, I just want to know, can we talk, y'all? Can we just talk about life stuff? Kind of like I did that relationship style video where I just brought some of my own experiences to the table and then y'all share y'all's experiences with me. Can we do that? Let me know down in the comments how y'all feel about that. And we'll see. Because definitely if y'all stuck around to this part, y'all my tribe. All right. All right. Till next time. Till the next video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You want to show them you can sing? Hey. Say hey. Oh. Come on to the song. He don't want to sing right now. He's been going down, so he's got quiet. Yo! Yo! You ready to go? All right. He said he had enough of that. We out.